Good morning, students. I am Dr. Vijay Bhandari and Associate Professor in CSE Department, SIIT, Bhopal. So I will cover today HTML editors in Internet and Web Technologies. So let's move to next slide. HTML using Notepad or text edit. So firstly, I will tell you about the how web pages can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors. So in previous session, I have told you and describe you about the how we create the HTML web pages. However, for learning HTML, we recommend a simply text editor like Notepad or TextEdit in Mac. We believe that using a simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. So web page can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors. So first I will tell you about the steps how you open the notepad in Windows 8 or 10. Okay, so the step one will be first open the notepad in your PC. Windows 8 or later you can use the versions of the Windows. Open the start screen, the Windows symbol at the bottom left on your screen. Type Notepad and Windows 7 or earlier. Like open the Start Programs, Accessories, and Notepad. So you will be clicking on that and opening the Notepad. So in this way, you can open the Notepad. It is a very basic step and first step to open the Notepad. Then you can follow the step one. Open the text edit pack. So open the Finder and then go to the applications part and then text edit. Also, you can change some preferences to get the applications to save the files correctly. In preferences format, choose plain text and then under the open and save it. So to check the boxes that says display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text. So here, then open a new document to place the code. So in next slide, I will tell you about the step 2 and writing some HTML, write or copy the following HTML code into Notepad. So simply we can say here the doc type HTML and in the body part, there is a header, paragraphs in the things. So we create the web pages like there is a headers like some paragraphs you can write inside the body, right? Now in this code you can see like how it will see the notepad and the how you will save the HTML page. So save the file on your computer and select the file and save as in the notepad menus. So name the file index.html, for example. Set the encoding to UTF-8 and which is the preferred encoding for HTML files. Then you can see here the ht.html files, right? So in step 4, view the HTML page in your browser and open the saved HTML file in your favorite browsers. And if you can double click on the files or writing click and choose the open with the results, we will look like much like this, my first heading and my first paragraph. So these are the things like, and if you can see some spaces, so these spaces will be allowed to you, some results will look much like this. Thank you. If you have any doubts, so you can post a query in chat box. And we have seen this like notepad tools and in Mac and notepads and Windows. So if you have any doubts, you can post your query in chat box. I will clear it. Thank you.